Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka jingalang patba bala pelong da ka Jantia Coal Miners and Dealers Association bat ka senjuk kiwa Hnong East Jantia Hills District bala Krishan Ru da ka Meghalaya State Coordination Committee of Coal Owners, Miners, Dealers and Coal Transportation Forum. Kala pelong ke jingalang kabala long nin ka sngi balang ka khandai trip Kuala Lingkot arajar khat khandai ha madan utai lang phawa kabadan ha Dekhya West East Jantia Hills District ban pensngoi jing e ki baki kendo na ka jingsha khang ti dewyong. U President jong ka Jantia Coal Miners and Dealers Association uba Balios swear haba ajing kran hakani jingalang loong bala pulut adu saw point ripu pra kulur tingka nadu snam arajar khat saw hadu menta da kinong khai duyong bat try duyong ban yakhun persya ka jingsha khang ti duyong da ka National Green Tribunal ne ka NGT bat loong shu bala pulut ikata pisa na ka benta ka bai mukter bat na ka benta ka bai lek bai wan jogi dekhot hapo kalama jong State Coordination Committee bat ula penchai pai ba katay ka pisa kadai na ka jingno senyang na ki try duyong bat nong khai duyong bat ula benrap shushu pa omshim na don kanu ka jing pendan kambakla ula ongru bakila ya ka special leave petition ha Supreme Court bat kikerman ya ka kubor babha ha ka khat santrek mentau benai arajar khat kandai uba swear ula pen benaru ya kara jong katay jingalang patba ka balong bandawa na ka sarkar jila ban state ya ka jing bet kre ka mining policy bat mining plan ka balong kat kum ka jing betha jong ka NGT bat ka Supreme Court jong ka India Shushu balada ka jingshim bishar ha khat santarik mentau banai da Supreme Court kamlong setia kat kum ka jingkmi lenti jongki kimban se ban penlong biang ya ka jingalang patba ban rai kumno ban le nang ni shakman u advisor jong ka JCMDA uba Sony Kriem ula penpaw ka jingbenya jong u namar wat hadien ka jingpelat jong Supreme Court ban chalan ya uduyong bala deputy ha ka sautrek banai bakhat hajar khat phra Henry Bun nagi tra duyong pat kimpat yo satya ban chalan yo duyong namar ka jingle shiliang khmat jong khatnat Directorate of Mineral Resources ha ka ban pelat ya ki transit coal chalan u president jong senjuk ki wahe Hnong East Jantia Hills District uba Satli Ringklem ula ther teng ya ka party NPP bat BJP kabla kop akapor election MLA mentau snam ban pelat ya ka jinghang ti duyong apo Andrew banai tada kiwan hakabor Henry mentala palat Andrew banai ka jinghang ti duyong kadang nek sa badulong ba kene ka jingja haksan kalaja namar ka jingkerdo kam do jam
lali hado kan rungut dak endum sel sapo ngai samen ngai ni ngam pudur ong yo la sei boy mem kalwang te ngai ni por haji to gani la prem joro lada ka sarkar yogo wakta askeri isai ti ayo re yogo wakta ayo pai ba ayo ngani por oma le ya ka yego em kam
leba angi de sa pentit ko de sa penjaba ko pite mi ulen leba ke NGT hadin dapat ke report wada da ubi nong le research na po nihu selong kala de himulekis da khang yo jiki moyong ha khanya duri April arjar khatso Henry hili porle lada kate ga an kwa kida kdaugi ta go ki ngathara empat ten pajba wa keju ga an em gole ke jingeda ne banta yong I kwa im kwa yaki no muyong le ba kate ga jingerang kat yong I khmat yong an kate ga hok yong I khmat yong an lada kile am hok ile ga ju go hok
the filing a week a special leave petition hapo Supreme Court hejri to wa kani ka kam de kani ka te petit dang lai luti go ha kani ka khasantrik daw em ke hearing te woro ini I report na do osdang ka jingla luti ke yong I kam ka sen muyong kam phiu pai ba ke yi wa em kti ha kani ka jingla luti to nga phi ki pai ba ki wai em kti ha kani ka jingla luti ni bha I mares dang ka jing cha khang muyong klem de chongnya klem de emu penthai I leno pentlot I ka jeben gi yong I da pachat I nei por che por da bo I ya ki plidar hado NGT court wat hado Supreme Court mem like na ka sarkar mut phiu pai ba da ka jing sniang yong phiu pai ba da ka bor gi yong phiu pai ba I da bo I ya ki plidar hai tai hapo court da ya sai na ka por che ka por da persnyau ya ka jing e na ka por che ka por
yong gani ko order ki wa em mo jingta ko man direct ya u pajba wakhi wakhi muyong na to waklai muyong na to wawat yaki bru sarkar to tengah jerong ni order khat prapis go ti benta kam kudau to jing to wa kita arbenta wa kat kam ni order wada batai go wada yu bijan japat kubar ong gidau bo ga phan to ka phan mut ga ganja deposit naliang yung state government deposit go haga haga CP Central Pollution Control Board kani ga wapat ga khot ka board wapat ga khot ga suba yung ga central hete da ong wa hapthap ko sarkar 6 crore ka pisa waya kata ka pisa wa rapma to ni waya kata ka pisa utpunmi na gitu ki bru ki wachem wati muyong buyan kamjo le na kitu kibru kiba pelai muyong kiba transport yang muyong habenta wali phon ru yang ani ga order the thok chi kiba kinu gitiar khi dan di gitrok kiba chem ba emmentagi hawo ti muyong bian dan ni pelai muyong bian kiba pu em sakso dato ukso iki we hadin wada de so iki district magistrate hadin wada dep bo usugi ka fine go man sanpha persen nagador showroom lada to daga gari sanpha persen nagador showroom yung gatu ga gari hadin odep yu deposit hadin odep yu thap ya ga bisa hadin ite yu plai gari perkhat de ba sinu ya lam gani claim dekhen yu news nam perkhat nadu usnam arajar khatso hado arajar khatniaw lagan iwa ya emlang wa khi cha court district court ngau perlo yang ngah ini lo emlang hi bayu prang da yu wala do wa da jaga ni case terbater claim mem jikut mem wa yu control ite ikat nungu chakso lakan nu hajar ke case udah register da kan ni ga order krundin go perkhat tapi kat nu pau hajar mut ki po ki trigger ki wo to agani claim da kin do igari sagiwa ementa sagiwa cha kem ha kajing chem wati muyong bian kate jing phalang halor ni ni order bentau khado te snasuk wani ong wa da snau sarman man presiden le yang ga janjia coal miner association ong wa daliang yang ga forum yang ga kunhun we kra lang yang state kamoda ong muda em go specially petition wada file gi Supreme Court ni benta jinto wani order snasuk wa daliang ga forum de kitkia wani kam Kubaman ke direct ke jingkta waman yu patba wabun walang.
Haga kasantrik yau like kani ke yau muyong ke yau ni. Haden yang kani ke kasantrik lagi dia wa memumi iso islai wa bang ni wa miet. Dau khut biang i yu pigi patba sakisen haga ni ke madan wa yo biang yu yaklam kamnu wa tiai chikmat kamnu rei. Kubilai chipon chejar ngo kajilang dubai go. Jai Hind.
As it stands today, the basic issue that we as miners, coal miners in Meghalaya are facing is that there are hurdles between the central government and the state government. The state government has time and again said that they have submitted the proposed guidelines on mining. And the central government, from time to time, also said they have received, but nothing concrete so far has come out in the house of the court. Whereas the court are not convinced either with the state government initiative or with central government, matters still keep pending in the court. We are hopeful that on the 15th hearing of this month, maybe something concrete could come out where both the state and the central government can give a positive response to what the court were asking for.
During your speech, you mentioned about the challenge. So what is the problem with the challenge?
See, the coal transit challenge, after the 4th of December 2018, where they allowed the transportation of the extracted coal, 176 ton was still remained to be transported. in that order, neither in the petition of the state government, neither in the order was any name specified that who are to get. But unfortunately, those coal miners whose coal has been assessed are not being given uniformly. It has rather been like a pick and choose to give whomever they like. And there's a time factor also, that on the 4th of last month, the Honorable Supreme Court was kind enough to allow the transportation of the extracted coal. Where the state government issued the notification on the 10th of December 2018 for transportation of the extracted coal. But it was only on the 19th or 20th of last month the challan was issued. And then after that, almost 10 days, we have a Christmas and New Year's holiday. So whether we can meet the deadline set by the Honorable Supreme Court within the 31st of January, that the question remains to be answered. However, we'll be praying to the court, along with the state government, that if any coal lying untransported after the 31st of January, maybe we will pray for further extension of time.
So you had mentioned also about the cause of these challans.
You see, that's what we've been hearing. There's no concrete evidence with me now, but we have been reported that there are prices about 50, 60,000 per challan have been sold in the market. So these are the complaints that we are getting as a feedback from the coal miners who are dealing in this.
Now with this public meeting, what decision have you taken to deal with the state government?
See, the public meeting message is very clear. That one, we urge upon the state government to come out with a concrete welfare scheme for the miners, so that incident which has been happened in the past should not be repeated in the future. Number two, that the Meghalaya Restoration and Protection Fund for the environment should be utilized now. We don't understand what is the reason that amount of 500 crores been kept in the bank without utilizing. Now we have been blamed for the degradation of the environment. Now, when money has been collected from us and they call us polluter, now that money you should utilize, keep it in the bank and enjoying the interest. That will not do at the cost of the miners. That is a true message we would like to send to the state government.
One more last question. The NGT has imposed a fine of rupees 100 crores to the state government. Will this affect the coal miners?
You see, that we don't know how it will happen, because every decision, every order has a consequences. But the direct instruction was made to the state government.
But also the order said that this money can be collected from the coal mine owners and also from the transporters.
That remains to be seen. Or maybe remain to be complied. But as I stand today, I quote the newspaper, the state government will appeal to the Honorable Supreme Court on this order. So do we.
If the Supreme Court hearing on the 15th January is not satisfied, okay, what future course of action will you take from the association?
See, we after all, we hope for the best on 15. Since our forum, we have filed a special leave petition from the forum, and from an individual person, so-called Leber Lulu, he has filed for a main case, for a mining. So on 15, we have full hope that the Supreme Court will hear our plea, since the incident which happened at Ksan in our district. So in that case, might be Supreme Court will hear our petition, and the Supreme Court will lift the ban. And suppose if on 15, if there is no fruitful any from the Supreme Court, so as I have said in the meeting, that we will call again the public meeting, and we will take the decision what the public will ask or will do the decision. 50 to 60,000
Coal
mines.
And in all this, how many villages?
360.
360 villages.
Villages.
Can you explain to us,
since 2014, how has this coal mine ban impacted the lives of not only those who are owning coal mines, but also those who are indirectly dependent on coal mining?
See, that is everybody knows this affected from the ban of the coal mines. Mostly the ground people. Ground people means what I'm going to say. The poor people, because to do the coal mines is not a good job. It is a very tough job. It is only those people who have got capacity. Capacity means those who have got capacity of money. So because one coal mine, we have to spend more than crores and crores, and everybody cannot do the coal mine. So those who cannot do the coal mines, so he or she, they open like a shop, like tea shop, and some are doing for coal laborers, some are doing coal to lift the coal from the ground level, and mostly one miner, he have fed more than 100 people.